So, on behalf of my beautiful bride, Jen, and I, we want to welcome everyone to our special day and really thank you guys all for coming out here. We can't be more blessed to have so many close friends and family surrounding us here today. The most important person here today is my beautiful bride, Jennifer Jing Hu. I feel lucky every single day knowing that I'm going to spend the rest of my life with such a beautiful, thoughtful, caring person. I can't wait to see how we continue to grow with each other in this next part of our story. So let's all raise a glass to my wife, Jen. To our first night as a married couple. I'll see you in the morning as my wife.
I wished the stars to shine. I prayed the moon would follow behind and roll the dark away. Reveal your face, all that I wanted to do.
Meeting you has been the best thing that has ever happened to me. You are the strength that I didn't know I needed and the happiness I didn't know I lacked. So today, I choose to spend the rest of my life with you. I promise to love you unconditionally and without hesitation. I promise to encourage you, support you, and to help you be the best person you can be. And I promise to continue to grow with you and to show you how deeply I care for you, no matter the challenges that may come our way.
I watched the May parade, and as the band was marching away, they played your favorite song. I hummed along, all that I wanted to do was see you every day is a better day.
Jen, today I stand before you, before our friends and family to tell you that I promise to always put relationships first, not just ours, but everyone around us. I promise to unconditionally support all your life choices despite any uncertainty. I promise to be down for any new adventures, no matter how scared I might be on the edge of a cliff, on Mammoth maybe. And most importantly, I promise to love you every single day for the rest of our lives. I love you.
You'll know it when you feel it. Two heartbeats beating like a drum. In this love with you, it's the only place I want to be, my love. 'Cause that's what you are. You are my best friend, my love, my love.
To Jennifer, starting today, Matt is the most important person in your life. Getting married is not the conclusion of your love. Getting married is the starting of your love of a new era. That's all, man. Let's start celebrate.
You're my one, you're my only, you're my world. Now I'll never be lonely, long as I can see you smile.
Jen, writing this speech has been one of the most difficult things I've done because the thought of having to put my love for you into writing has been extremely intimidating. You are my beautiful older sister, my best friend, and the person I have always looked up to. From day one, you have been my greatest supporter, the person I turn to when things are good, bad, or just because I have a random thought, and I know you'd never judge me. You have found your partner in this life, your other half. Someone who will take any adventure with you, eat candy with you, get late night snacks with you, and take care of you. Matt, I'm very grateful that that half is you. Thank you for taking care of Jen, and I'm so happy to call you my brother-in-law. I'd like to raise my glass to Jen and Matt and the beautiful adventure that you guys are about to embark on. To the happy couple, cheers, everyone.
Wake up, and open up your eyes. Wake up, it's time you realize.
I have waited so damn long for this moment. I want to thank you for our unwavering friendship over the last 17 years. Being your best man is truly the dream of a lifetime. About 10 years ago, we took a bottle of limited edition 1998 Dom Perignon from the lobby of a 5-star hotel in LA. In a drunken state, we made each other a promise that we would pop the bottle at the wedding of whomever got married first. And shortly after I met Jen, I knew deep down that I would be the one likely to carry this bottle to this wedding today. So let's pop it right now. 22-year-old Dom. Cheers. We all look forward to where your bright future brings you. And from the bottom of my heart, I wish you both nothing but happiness, love, and success for the rest of your days. Cheers.
That's where you are. Up in the stars. That's where you are. That's where you are. Up in the stars. That's where you are. Up in the stars. That's where you are.
Remember this day here in beautiful Kaanapali, Maui. With joy and thanksgiving in your hearts, may you love to live and live to love. And now therefore, by the authority given unto me by the laws of the state of Hawaii, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Matthew, may I kiss your beautiful